Hey, namaste. Let's start today's session. 90% daily used sentences means the sentences which comes you can use daily in your daily life, right? Start. Which table do you want to be seated at? Which table do you want to be seated at? Sir, there is a space in the backyard for you. Sir, there is a space in the backyard for you. Do you want to have a seat outside? 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 We have a room on the second floor. 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 Please include a food list. Please include a food list. Please include a food list. What's on the menu tonight? It's the word which is used mostly on hotels. Like today, I sorted out some hotel words. How many kgs of apples are you looking for? How many kgs of apples are you looking for? It's time for me to eat. It's time for me to eat. Do you want to have a cup of tea? Do you want to have a cup of tea? What do you want to eat today? What do you want to eat today? What's the name of the beverage? What's the name of the beverage? Is it possible for you to brew some tea? Is it possible for you to brew some tea? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? What is that? What exactly are you looking for? What exactly are you looking for? Is it a large or little object? Is it a large or little object? Is it a large or little object? Are you interested in a package? Are you interested in a package? Are you interested in a package? Please, no ice. Please, no ice. What kinds of beverages are available? What kinds of beverages are available? Do you have any pepper on hand? Do you have any pepper on hand? Please add salt. Please add salt. Do you want some ketchup? Do you want some ketchup? There will be no ketchup. There will be no ketchup. Set number 3, which is at some increased level. This table will be occupied by someone else. This table will be occupied by someone else. I apologize for keeping you waiting. I apologize for keeping you waiting. Apologize. Is there anything you would like to drink? Is there anything you would like to drink? Is there anything you would like to drink? I would like to look at the menu. I would like to look at the menu. Would you like it with soup or salad? Would you like it with soup and salad? Soup? No. Soup or salad. Is it possible for you to acquire some water? Is it possible for you to acquire some water? Please excuse me. Please excuse me. In a moment, I will tell you. In a moment, I'll tell you. I'm waiting for someone to come along. I'm waiting for someone to come along. Sir, your purchase is not yet ready. Sir, your purchase is not yet ready. What would you suggest? What would you suggest? Do you have a salad on the table? Do you have a salad on the table? Is there anything for vegetarians? Is there anything for vegetarians? I'd like to have some more salad. I would like to have some more salad. You can say I had or I would. I would like to have more salad. Is it possible to get any more bread? Is it possible to get any more bread? This fish isn't even close to being fresh. This fish isn't even close to being fresh, means it's not fresh. Do you have a bathroom? Do you have a bathroom? Is it possible to get it in a package? Is it possible to get it in a package? The dish is quite hot, so proceed with caution. The dish is quite hot, so proceed with caution. I hope you had a good time with the meal. I hope you had a good time with the meal. I hope you had a good time with the meal. Is there anything more I should know? Is there anything more I should know? Is there anything more I should know? Set number 4. Do you want anything sweet? Do you want anything sweet? Is it okay if I take the check? Is it okay if I take the check? Is it okay if I take the check? Please create an account. Please create an account. Please keep your accounts separate. Please keep your accounts separate. Is it possible to acquire a receipt? Is it possible to acquire a receipt? Receipt. You can pay for my services. You can pay for my services. You can pay for my services. I believe there was a blunder. I believe there was a blunder. Maintain the change. Maintain the change. Maintain the change. Who's going to buy? Who's going to buy? I'm going to buy it. What are you going to get? What are you going to get? When is dinner going to be ready? When is dinner going to be ready? Dinner is nearly ready. Please take a seat at the table. Please take a seat at the table. Do you want to try a bite? Could you please pass the salt to me? Could you please pass the salt to me? Could you please hand your plate to me? Could you please hand the plate to me? Could you please hand your plate to me? Could you please pass the bread? Could you please pour some more salad for me? Could you please pour some more salad for me? Is there any more of this available? Is there any more of this available? What will you have for dessert? What will you have for dessert? What will you have for dessert? Do you have your health in your hands? Do you have your health in your hands? And with this, we are going to end this beautiful sessions with our quote that you are braver than you believe and stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. You are braver than you believe and stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. So subscribe the channels for more such episodes about learning English, and we will meet